Double HD Nation, stand up and welcome back to the channel. We are continuing on with Race Wars. What are you guys doing in your boxes? You guys got to get out of that. Let's do this. That's more like it. Yes, today is the final day of qualifying races for the Race Wars finale. Oh my gosh, 9 more races. Let's get 9 more winners. Up first, it's RV There Yet, Hammer Down, the Audi Le Mans, and the 89 Batmobile. All right, let's wrap up these qualifying races. Go. Batman. Next race, it's the Nissan 370Z Carbide Project Speeder in the gold Corvette C7 Z06 convertible. Go. The rocket ship known as Carbide, moving on. Next up is Mach Speeder, the standard Corvette C7 Z06, Bone Shaker, and the Lancia Integrale. I'm dropping the hammer. All right, there you go, Chris. That's for you. Moving on. Next up is the Monte Carlo. Audacious. 16 Angels and Monoposto. Go. Good race. Four wide all the way to the finish. Monte Carlo got it, though. Moving on. Next race brings us to the Mercedes-Benz A-Class Monoracer, the Jag Project 8, and Carbonic. And here we go. Close race, but the gate says Carbonic. We'll go back and check that footage. All right, let's wrap up the 20-pack races. You got the Fairlady 2000, the Koenigsegg Jesko, 55 Chevy, and the Great Gatspeed. Here we go. There's absolutely no stopping these Koenigsegg's. All right, up next, you got the Ford Mustang, the Blue Corvette, the Corvette Stingray, and the Copo Corvette. Oh, please don't embarrass me, Ford. Go. right, Copo Corvette, moving on. Darn it. Next up, we got another Corvette Grand Sport Corvette C6R, HW40, and the Governor. Go. Wow. HW40 punching their ticket. This finale is, we got a 3 for. Let's go. It's Speedbox, Twin Duction, and HW50. Go. JK, Speedbox, moving on. Junkyard is full. Qualifying races are over. We're moving on to the finale. What do you say, King? You ready? All right, let's get these winners lined up for you guys so you guys can see the races. All right, and our races are ready. You guys can just take a quick overview. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait for the finale. Now, the finale will probably be a decently sized video, so prepare for that. But oh my gosh, who's it gonna be, Double HD Nation? Who will be taking on the 2+2 Mustang Fastback with the OG FTEs? Well, make sure you tune in next time to find out. But for right now, do me a solid. Smash the like button on this video. That lets me and YouTube know you do enjoy the content and you want to see more of it. Check out that description down below. Lots of good links. Instagram, Discord, merch store, Raise Energy. Just make sure you use that code HHDNation at checkout. And with that being said, I will see you guys next time here at the Holler for the finale of the Hot Wheels Race Wars. Peace, love, and Hot Wheels, you guys. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.